Good morning, it's Douglas from RAIZOR bringing you the latest AI news for today, Thursday, March 20th, 2025. First up, here's an overview of today's highlighted topic on our blog. Can AI enhance our pursuit of virtue and wisdom? Ben Vinson III, president of Howard University, delivered MIT's Carl Taylor Compton Lecture focusing on artificial intelligence's role in society. He emphasized the need for wise AI development that serves humanity rather than controls it, while raising questions about AI's impact on human virtues, reflection, and decision-making. Vinson highlighted universities' critical role as intellectual guides in AI development and stressed the importance of having realistic discussions about AI's risks and ethical implications. The lecture particularly focused on AI's potential impact on education and human values, noting how AI differs from previous technological innovations by targeting cognition, creativity, and emotional intelligence. Vinson questioned whether reducing humanities scholarship in favor of AI advancement represents true progress, and called for intellectual courage and moral imagination in shaping an AI future that preserves human dignity. As evidence of his institution's commitment to this discussion, he referenced Howard University's recent R1 designation for high research activity. You can read the full blog post at razor.co/blog. Now let's get into today's news. Nvidia announced their upcoming graphics processing unit lineup with 3 new models scheduled for release between 2025 and 2028. The company launched an open-source humanoid robot foundation model called GR00TN1 and introduced new AI workstations for edge computing. A significant partnership with Google DeepMind and Disney was formed to develop a new physics engine, while another partnership with General Motors focuses on self-driving vehicles and factory automation. Manufacturing facilities can implement these advances to automate production lines and improve quality control processes through enhanced computer vision and robotics systems. Adobe introduced a new experience platform agent orchestrator featuring 10 specialized artificial intelligence agents. The platform includes Brand Concierge AI for personalized shopping experiences and integrates with Microsoft 365 Copilot. The company reported a 1,200% increase in AI-driven traffic during February 2025. Marketing teams can leverage these AI agents to create more personalized customer experiences and streamline their workflow processes. Google introduced Canvas, a new collaborative workspace within Gemini for document editing and code creation. The platform features live code previews for web development and seamless integration with Google Docs. A new audio overviews feature generates podcast-style summaries of content. Project teams can improve collaboration and productivity by using Canvas for real-time document editing and code development. Google developed new open artificial intelligence models specifically designed for drug discovery. The technology can process and understand both text and biochemical compounds. The models will be made available through Google's Health AI Developer Foundation. Pharmaceutical companies can accelerate their drug development process by using these models to analyze compounds and predict potential therapeutic applications. OpenAI is investing in Project Stargate, a $100 billion venture to build the world's largest data center. The facility will house 400,000 artificial intelligence processing chips across 8 data centers. The Texas-based project is scheduled for completion by mid-2026. Companies can benefit from increased artificial intelligence processing power and faster model training capabilities once the facility is operational. Stability AI developed Stable Virtual Camera, a new system that transforms single images into 3-dimensional videos. The technology allows users to control camera movements within the generated videos. Marketing and creative teams can create dynamic visual content from static images, reducing production costs and time for promotional materials. A new study reveals artificial intelligence capabilities are doubling every 7 months since 2019. Researchers analyzed 170 software tasks ranging from brief to extended durations. Current leading models can reliably complete tasks lasting up to 59 minutes. Organizations can plan their automation strategies based on this growth trajectory, particularly for complex, time-intensive tasks. More than 400 Hollywood professionals, including Ben Stiller, Mark Ruffalo, and Cate Blanchett, signed an open letter opposing artificial intelligence copyright proposals. The letter challenges expanded fair use protections for artificial intelligence training proposed by major tech companies. Content creators and media companies should monitor these developments to understand how they might affect intellectual property rights and content creation processes. OpenAI's ChatGPT generated false information claiming a Norwegian user was convicted of murder. European Union privacy group NeoB filed a general data protection regulation complaint against the company. The case could result in penalties up to 4% of OpenAI's global annual revenue. Organizations implementing artificial intelligence systems should establish robust fact-checking processes and liability protection measures. Those are the most important AI news articles for today. Want the links from these podcasts as well as all the latest tools and various new jobs in the AI sector? Join the newsletter at RAIZOR.co and get in touch to learn how to cut costs, boost revenue, and accelerate your business growth with AI-powered automations.